Hello folks, Richard Fontana here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks. So I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Do you want to know the secret system that generates cash? Want to know how to set up an automated business in just 3 hours or less? Hey, I am Abdu, founder of Incomende, where I share helpful information with the community. You are about to discover the most powerful marketing system that all internet masters have in common and never want to show you. The problem is that most of them are not providing what you need. They often provide a few good tips and tricks and not the whole solution. That's where I come in, because I am going to show you what you need to do step by step to set up your automated business correctly, so that you can get more traffic, more leads, and a continuous stream of income. You can easily integrate this secret system into your business and see a lot of success with it. Don't just take my words for it though, check out what this secret system has to offer. Even if you are skeptical, you should give it a try. The craziest thing is that it is a true and tested system. I called it the secret cash method. It might sound weird to you, but it is of the best marketing systems out there. It takes some time to adjust your operations to it, but once you are there using it, you will never want to look back. So see you inside.